Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In the previous lecture, we have learned how to create an attractive Instagram reel cover. Today we are going to move to another important social media platform, that is Facebook. In this lecture, I will show you how to create Instagram professional Facebook post step by step. By the end of this lecture, you will know how to create Instagram posts, how to choose a right site, add images and text, use color and branding. Create a clean and engaging layout. So firstly, I will open Canva and click on Create and search here for a Facebook like this. Facebook. Here you will see different type of Facebook templates. You have to choose for today's practice. I will start Facebook post. That is this. Okay, click on this. And now, this is Facebook post size. Okay. Now, if you are not finding this template, so you can simply customize. Click on customize size. Width is no. What is the width? The width is 1200 and 630, okay, pixels. Then you can create. Now cross this template and simply start. Step number 2, let's choose our background and we will see, you will see a solid color. Here a solid color, a photo, of Canva templates, pattern, gradient. I am going to choose a simple background because I want the main message to stand it out. Okay, remember the background should be support your content, not contract from it. Okay. Now let's choose simple gradient. Or I will choose a color according to our brand size. There it is, baby pink. Okay. Now, next, now let's add our main image. Go to upload if you want to upload your image, or if you don't want to upload your own personal image, so click on element and search the relevant photo, insert the Canva. You can resize, position image properly, make sure image is clear and relevant. I want Canva image, so Canva. Click on graphics. And here I will select this. I think pink is somehow this. Or I will choose I think I have to choose this. Okay. So this is my main. Now let me add text. 5 tips that every beginner should know. This is our heading. Click on heading. Let me write heading. So I have add my heading. Now let's arrange it. Select the font style. You can choose any font style which you want, but I love this font style. Okay. And now I will add the color white. Okay. So, underline the headline. We can add to our short supporting line Now, I will add a create better design in less time. Okay. Point number, let me select yes. Create, create better design in less time. And I will add here, yes, simply. Keep your main text short and easy to understand. 5 steps that every beginner should know. Okay. So here I will change the font style, which alphabets are too short. I just love one font. Yes, it's also good. Every font is good, everyone, but I love this, okay? Now let me select my color. I am gonna choose dark, no dark blue. Yes, this color. Okay. So step number 5 is style the text. Like if you want to change font, size, color, and spacing alignment, so you can change because it's step number 5. So I will align my text in the center. Yes, center align. Okay. And position is better. Okay. Now it's too simple. Now I have step number 6 is now let's add our branding. I will go to upload, select our logo, and remove background. Okay. So you can also add your logo, brand color, or your username. I will add brand logo. From here, I will select white. Okay. So let's group. Layer, send to back. Now create group. Now I will, yes, put here my logo. Keep the same brand across your post will make your content more recognizable. Okay? Step number 6 is add 6. No, step number 7 is add a simple element to decor your design. Now let's add few elements. Here I will search arrows. Uh, uh, Click here, blue arrows. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I'm searching in text portion. I have to search in animate portion. Click on search. Here you will see different style arrows. If you want to use arrows, so click here and use. There is. I think this one is better. This click, flip, like this. I will do the same thing now. Let's say the color. I think purple is looking, no, not a purple, dark blue. So let me adjust. So you are watching that our post is looking good. Okay. Now we will add some flowers. Butterfly, flip, like this. And seems like, and now I will simply flip horizontal. And it it's just to record our mm, image, okay? We can also add a brain logo. Let me click on this. Flip, flip, horizontal. Like this. And I will add my logo, some flowers and some other things I have to add on top. But we have to add birds. Don't overcrowd your design. It's looking too over. Click on this. Add a small. Zoom your page. And layer, bring to front. Like this. And now I will add one sparrow. Flip. And I am gonna add to this one. Okay? A dotted row. Dotted row. I think my spellings are wrong. Dot. Let me remove and try it again. Double arrow, yes, we can also use double arrow. Like this. And gonna not. Basically, this arrow is used on I like this. I think our design is too good, looking so good. And I will add some arrows. Not arrows. I will add butterfly. Simply, no, this is too crowdy. Black and white, yes. I will do small. No, it's also not looking good. Yeah, this one. This is also, you have to choose a good, not a bad, okay? Like this. So, common mistakes that use too much text, use too much fonts, poor quality image, too many colors, weak context, overcrowded layout, forgetting your branding. Pro tips. Use high quality which were images and enough empty space around the elements. Most important, design according to your audience and main purpose of your post. Okay, here practice is I make same Instagram post like I have made in my video. Or if you don't want to make these same, so you can make according to your own brain. But also send me your best design on Instagram by tagging me at the rate ZHavibe, and also mention the lecture number, which lecture practice you have sent. Okay. Free certificate reminder. Remember, you can earn free certificate by completing all 50 lectures and practice tasks. Like and comment on every video, subscribe to ZHavibe, and share your practical work on Instagram post or stories. Don't forget to tag ZHavibe. Okay. And I will share your work on my stories and on the profile. Complete the course and practice your task to become eligible for Canva free certificate. So I will download my Facebook post. Download. So you know how to create an Instagram professional post in Canva. In next lecture, we are going to learn how to create Instagram, Instagram, not Facebook posts in Canva. In next lecture, we will learn how to get Facebook cover and make your Facebook page look more professional. Keep practicing, keep creating, and don't forget to follow and subscribe. ZHavibe for more Canva tutorial. I will see you in next lecture. Happy designing. Allah Hafiz. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. I'm gonna surely reply you.